Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by deciding what to keep. Export messages or screenshots now so you don't lose them later. Once done, sign out of Threads and unlink it from your Instagram or account center to prevent automatic reconnects. Make sure to note whether you're on Android or iPhone because removal and permission controls differ. On Android, you'll access app settings. On iPhone, you'll use the home screen or settings app. Now proceed to the uninstall step. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, find Threads, clear storage and cache to remove local files, then uninstall. Clearing first ensures no leftover data. On iPhone, long press the icon and choose Delete App or go to iPhone Storage to offload and delete. That ensures app data is purged. After uninstalling, go to System Privacy or Permissions to revoke camera mic and contacts access so the app can't reconnect or retain authorization. These steps stop background traces. Finally, double-check you're signed out of Instagram and remove any linked accounts in Account Center if you want complete separation. If your goal is full deletion, request deactivation or account deletion through your Instagram account settings. Follow platform prompts to finalize. If something goes wrong, for example, the app won't uninstall, reboot your device, reinstall Threads briefly, clear its data, then uninstall again. That often forces removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.